Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 36 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I worked on arrays with JavaScript. Arrays are a type of data structure, and basically they're a variable that can hold multiple elements, kind of like a list. Today I learned how to create an array, how to access elements in an array by their index value, how to add elements to an array with push and unshift, how to remove elements with shift and pop, and how to combine elements of an array with the spread operator. Then I use the spread operator to combine a few arrays. I have an array called burger and an array called middle, and you can see that I put the elements of the array called middle right in the middle of the burger array. I also took two arrays of different types of instruments and combined them into a new array simply called instruments. And last I used the spread operator on an array of numbers so that the math.max function can properly sort through them and figure out which number is the highest. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.